Hi all, it's Ziv from Elementor. In this tutorial, I'll introduce you to the Code Highlight widget. If you often use code snippets in your content, such as on a development blog for example, this widget is for you. It allows you to make your code more readable and visually consistent with your site, without the need for any additional plugins. There are various things you can do with this widget, so let's dive in and see how easy it is to create beautiful code snippets with Elementor. First off, search for and drag the Code Highlight widget to wherever you like. Next, paste the code snippet you wish to present on your page. And set the relevant syntax to optimize your highlighted code. There's a laundry list of coding languages to choose from. You can either scroll through it, or simply search for the one you need. Here, you can choose to either show or hide the line numbers, depending on your design needs. The Copy to Clipboard option is set to show by default, which allows your visitors to copy the entire code snippet with a simple click of a button. You can always hide it if you like. With highlight lines, you can select single or multiple lines to be highlighted. This can come in handy if you want to put a spotlight on certain parts of your code. Simply type the line numbers in the field, separated with commas. You can also select a range of lines, like so. Word wrap allows you to break and wrap long lines of code onto the next line, making your code more presentable. Great, now the copy button is more accessible as well. Lastly, you can customize your code snippets even more by choosing one of these cool themes and find the style that works for your site. You can also control their height, depending on the amount of code you want to display, as well as the font size. Scroll bars are added automatically, so there's no need to worry about it getting clipped. Well, that's it. Now you know what the Code Highlight widget does and how to use it to make your code snippets more readable and visually consistent with your site, without the need for any additional plugins. Have fun styling your code snippets, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tutorials. Ciao for now!